Hello all, and welcome to another edition of Yacht's Tutorials. Someone told me I saw a video online of a trick that I just had to try out, and now that I did, I'll share it with everyone here. So, someone told me that if you're riding on an animal, one of your pets, the sentinels can't see you. So, I'll show you how this works. I'm going to aggro the sentinels so that they can actually see me, and then I'm going to summon my pet and jump on him. Okay, where's the sentinel at? There we go, I'll shoot him. Then I'll summon my pet, and I'll jump on him. And I'm just going to sit right here. And I'm just going to sit right in the middle of them, and nothing happens. They just sit there, and nothing happens. The timer doesn't run out, the wanted level doesn't go up, just nothing happens. So, if you're ever in a battle, and you feel like you're losing, just summon your pet, jump on him, and give yourself a breather. If you need to run off, jump on your pet and take off running. Eventually you'll get out of range. And when the timer runs out, of course, the Sentinel Force will be deactivated. Thank you, pet. Thank you for your assistance. And that's all there is to it.